I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a taco event in Roblox Studio. We'll start by opening Roblox Studio and creating a brand new base plate. Next, we'll dive into the toolbox to find and insert a cool taco model. Make sure to place your taco in an accessible spot, perhaps near the spawn, so all your players can easily find and enjoy it. This initial setup is super quick, taking less than 1 minute. Now let's make that taco interactive. Inside your taco model, insert a new script. This script will be the brains of our operation. We'll write a few lines of code to detect when a player's character touches the taco. Once touched, our script will trigger a special function, perhaps giving the player a fun badge or increasing their score by 10 points. This simple script brings your taco to life for everyone. To make it a true event, we need some game logic. First, we'll define a variable to keep track of how many tacos have been collected across the server. Then, we'll create a simple user interface element like a text label to display this count to all players. Imagine the excitement as players see the number climb. Once the community reaches a goal, say 50 tacos, a special server-wide reward can be unlocked, making it a collaborative effort. Finally, it's time to test and share your amazing taco event. Thoroughly playtest your game within Roblox Studio to catch any bugs. Make sure the tacos are collectible, and all rewards like badges or points are granted as expected. Once you're confident, publish your game to Roblox. Your players will love participating in this fun, easy-to-create event, bringing joy and delicious virtual tacos to everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.